Kalamazoo Resources besitzt sowohl spannende Lithium- als auch Goldprojekte in Australien und hat erst vor wenigen Tagen die Akquisition eines neuen Goldprojekts, das Mount Piper Goldprojekt, abgeschlossen. Dieser Kauf macht die Firma zusätzlich zu einem der größten Landbesitzer in Victoria. Zwar ist das letzte Interview mit dem CEO Luke Reiner noch gar nicht so lange her. Da Luke uns aber auf der Edelmetallmesse in München besuchen wird Anfang November, haben wir schon jetzt ein kleines Update für neue und auch bestehende Investoren vorbereitet, damit ihr eure Fragen im Voraus vorbereiten könnt und dann Luke auf der Messe gezielt ansprechen könnt. Zunächst wollte ich von Luke erstmal wissen, warum er sich zum Kauf eines neuen Goldprojekts entschieden hat. Die Firma, die hatte ja bereits diverse Goldprojekte in Australien und zudem sieht der Markt aktuell nicht so gut aus, wenn man sich den Goldpreis anschaut. Das scheint aber ja zu bedeuten, dass Luke langfristig den Goldpreis doch weiter oben sieht, oder? Luke, it's good to see you again. You're going to visit us in Munich at the Edelmetallmesse very soon, and we want to give people a little bit of an update about what's going on at Kalamazoo and what can people expect, so people are prepared to come to the booth and visit you. And first of all, congratulations to your latest acquisition. You acquired the Mount Piper Gold project in Victoria. Can you please tell us why did you buy this project and what do you expect from buying it?
Thanks, Jan. And yeah, very much look forward to seeing some shareholders or people who are interested in the Kalamazoo story at the Munich show in early November. And I certainly welcome people to come along and ask any questions they like. In regard to the Mount Piper project, yes, we acquired that and just completed on the acquisition just last week. We're very pleased on that. That's almost tripled the size of our land holding in Victoria, which is very prospective, of course, because we've got the Fosterville gold mine. And we're now probably the largest land holder in the southern section of that, what they call the central or Bendigo zone. So we're very pleased on that. We look to get on the ground there very soon and to start exploring. And hopefully I can share some of that news with our shareholders and other people in Munich in early November.
Excellent. And as we all know, unfortunately, the market, especially the gold market, isn't that perfect at the moment, but you still got another gold project and you already had some before. That means you're very positive thinking about the gold price in the future, right?
Absolutely. And look, we obviously believe in the gold price. It's not a good time at the moment, which I think has confounded a lot of experts. Everyone would have thought that with inflation and political issues and obviously what's happening in the Ukraine, that gold would be strong, but it's not at the moment. I think that's just the way the markets are. But I guess the key is just to look at the trend of gold prices over the last 20 or 30 years. It steadily goes up. So this is just a period where there's a little bit of weakness, but it will bounce back. So yes, we're very, very confident on gold. We've got some good projects in Victoria, which is where we started. But also, as you mentioned, we've got a very large project in the Pilbara, which we call the Ashburton Gold Project. And we'll have some good news about that over the next couple of months.
Der Goldpreis hat in den letzten 50 Jahren durchschnittlich sogar 8% Rendite pro Jahr gebracht und außerdem die letzten 5000 Jahre den Wert erhalten. Keine andere Assetklasse hat dies geschafft und das macht Gold daher vermutlich auch zukünftig zu einer interessanten Anlage. Luke ist also dem Goldpreis und dem Markt gegenüber grundsätzlich positiv gestimmt und Kalamazoo arbeitet nebenher derzeit an einer Scoping Study für das Ashburton Gold Project. Aber nicht nur im Gold wird bei Kalamazoo gearbeitet, sondern auch an den Lithiumprojekten der Firma gibt es Fortschritte zu vermelden. Auf den Projekten Marble Bar und Doms Hill wird derzeit eine Bohrkampagne durchgeführt. So enough about your gold project. Let's talk about lithium because lithium is also very exciting and the lithium market actually looks a little bit better than the gold market, to be fair. And lithium has experienced like another small boom in the last few weeks. And Kalamazoo is drilling on Marble Bar and Doms Hill, two exciting lithium projects in Australia. And do you think your share price and your company will be benefiting from the drilling results once they are released?
I think the long-term or the medium to long-term view on our lithium projects is extremely positive, Jan. And we're very, very confident on them. Yes, we have been drilling. I think, as probably everyone knows, it takes a while to get assay results in Australia just because of the mining boom. So, but we would certainly expect them in the next probably 3 or 4 weeks and put some announcements out there. Yeah, we're very positive on lithium. Lithium price and demand is still extremely strong. But probably the most important thing is the relationship we have, and that is, we're in a joint venture with SQM, which is the very large Chilean lithium producer. It's the second largest lithium producer in the world. And we've got a wonderful joint venture with them where they're sole funding all of our exploration on our lithium projects. And so that's a great relationship for us. And where we think that's really positive is that, if we are fortunate enough to discover a project to develop, we've got SQM as our partner behind us. And that's why we've entered into this relationship.
That sounds very good, and I think we're having exciting times, especially with the low share price of Kalamazoo. That seems to be a buying opportunity in some people's eyes, and we're looking forward to your next news, your next milestones, and we're hoping for better market times very soon. Excellent.
Absolutely.
So I think we covered enough of your latest news and updates. Let's talk about the Edelmetallmesse in Munich real quick. You've been there in, I believe, 2019 already, and people came up to you and talked to you at our booth. And what do you think people can expect? I mean, the market isn't that perfect at the moment. Is it still worth to visit a fair like that? And when people come, can they come up and talk to you?
Oh, absolutely. Look, when we attended that conference 2 or 3 years ago, we thought it was very positive. And as you know, we're listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as well. So it's very important for us to meet our shareholders and stakeholders in Germany. We think it's a terrific conference. Look, I'll be available there over the 2 or 3 days and looking forward to speaking to anyone. And I certainly ask people to be very free, ask whatever questions they like. And of course, if it's public knowledge, I can certainly share with them any information that we can. But it's a terrific conference, and compared to some of the other ones we've been to here in Australia and elsewhere, I'd certainly recommend people come along.
Luke Reiner war bereits 2019 auf der Edelmetallmesse in München vor Ort und konnte sich dort mit euch und den Investoren austauschen. Auch in diesem Jahr wird Luke wieder bei uns am Stand zu finden sein und er freut sich dort auf eure Fragen. Solltet ihr trotzdem noch Fragen an Kalamazoo Resources oder an Luke Reiner direkt haben, dann schreibt sie uns sehr gerne unten in die Kommentare. Denkt wie gesagt daran, dass die Edelmetallmesse Anfang November stattfindet. Das ist für jeden ein wichtiges Event, der sich für den Sektor interessiert, aber natürlich auch für alle, die jetzt diese Themen Inflation, Machtverschiebungen, aber auch natürlich Krieg, Corona, Krise, all diese Sachen, wenn man sich dafür interessiert und wie man in diesen Zeiten eben halbwegs sicher durchschaukeln kann mit Rohstoffen und Edelmetallen, dann solltet ihr dringend dorthin kommen. Dort gibt es viele Expertenvorträge, auch wir werden einen Vortrag auf der Bühne haben. Es gibt sehr viele Experten vor Ort, unter anderem wie gesagt auch bei uns am Stand. Wir haben einen großen Stand auf der Messe, wir werden mit 11 Leuten aus dem Team da sein, plus noch der ein oder andere CEO. Deswegen kommt unbedingt vorbei, sagt mal Hallo und schaut euch die guten Vorträge vor Ort an. Wer sich für Freikarten interessiert, der kann gerne einmal unter roadshow@axino.com nachfragen. Wir wissen noch nicht, wie viele Freikarten wir kriegen, deswegen schreibt lieber so schnell wie möglich. Die Leute, die als erstes geschrieben haben, die bekommen diese natürlich auch als allererstes. Ansonsten abonniert gerne den Kanal und wir sehen uns dann im nächsten Video und allerspätestens auf der Edelmetallmesse.